most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Brad, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you how to exercise for 8 minutes before bed, and you can see what happens when you do that in a month. And yeah, I think you'll see some changes for the good.
My wife will go nuts is what'll happen if I do that.
Well, I think you should. This is a good time to say this, Brad. I don't think you should do it right before bed.
Oh.
I think you should do it like an hour before bed, maybe an hour and a half.
So I can go downstairs. And
yeah, you can do it downstairs. Plus, we're doing a giveaway today. So if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go to bobandbrad.com. Go to the giveaway section, and you'll see that we are giving away a FitGlide, which we're going to talk about at the end of the video.
Oh,
so you got a demonstration. Yeah, a little demonstration. You'll love it. Go to Facebook if you want the contest. It'll be pinned to the top of the page. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program. And we also have a podcast. All right, these exercises are either 30 seconds or a minute, and we'll time it out, and we'll do it in real time.
Right. Do it whatever you want to start with. I'd start with 30 seconds, see how it goes, and proceed as you tolerate it.
All right, let's do a little warm-up, Brad. 30 seconds. We'll do reverse arm circles.
Wait for it to get to the top?
So I like reverse ones because you're actually strengthening your posture muscles. If you go forward like this, you're strengthening one of your pecs.
Yeah. So think about going back
and stretching and squeezing your shoulder blades together while you're doing it.
Think about breathing in. Breathe in through that nose. Get some air in those lungs. Exhale.
Yeah, have your face formed correctly. This is a little joke between Brad and I. So
that book, Breathe.
Yep, breathing. Okay, next one. High knees for 30 seconds. Ready? And now you can put your hands out like this if you want to know that you're kicking up high enough.
Yep.
Or you can just do it like Brad was doing it without that. But now,
hands on the hips might work.
Sure. This is like, you never did any military training, did you?
No. But yeah, I know what you're saying, but I can't say from personal experience, of course, except for on the movies, which I don't think is accurate.
Okay, next we're going to do some squats for 60 seconds, Brad.
Oh, okay.
Now you get your legs far apart, and are we ready, Liz? And I like to do them with my arms overhead like this too, just because, again, it's a posture thing.
Yeah, you can see it brings that shoulders back, head up.
You can do them out like this too if you want to do more like, but these are air squats. Can you see on Brad? He's trying to keep his knees behind the front of his feet. Yeah, why don't you show that, Brad?
So if I'm going like this would be not what we want.
Incorrect.
So you want to keep those heels down. Really forces you to.
That's why
back arched.
Some of you are going to want to maybe have a chair behind you to make sure you're going back far enough, because some of you are going to be leaning too far forward while you're doing these, and you really want that back straight. That's the big key to this.
Thing about a chair is you can just go until your bottom touches the chair, and it forces you to be very consistent with your depth, how far you're working that squat. Are you sure this isn't 3 minutes, Liz? Come on.
Is that it? Boy, that seemed like a long time.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get down now. And I don't know if you want to try a standing version of these, Brad, but you're really not a way to do it. Donkey kicks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, geez, I'm hitting
something.
The donkey kicks something. Yeah, a minute.
So you want to keep the knee bent or kick it out like that?
Nope, knee bent, knee straight up to the ceiling. You're directing that foot straight up to the ceiling.
That isolates and gets the hamstring out and works more the glute. Is that correct, Bob?
That is correct. Now
we're doing alternate. I'm sorry.
I'm doing alternate. You could do do it either way. You could do 10 on one side and 10 on the other side. But this way, you're going to make sure you're even, because if the 60 seconds is up and you...
Yep, I understand.
Have been off.
Yep.
I can feel this to my glutes, Brad.
Yeah.
And I hardly have any glutes. So
you have to be careful because my hamstrings are always twitchy and cramping. And I
can feel you do got to be careful. That's right.
If there's cramping, then kick your legs straight out and that will
that'll take care of it.
Minimize that and it'll be okay. you're still going to get exercise.
What, do you get a lack in potassium there, Brad? Or?
Yeah, potassium, carbonate, who knows what I'm lesson, but one way or another.
All right, we kicked up plenty of, what would it be called? ASS kicks?
Bob,
All
why,
right.
Bob? Let's just carry on.
All right, let's do some alternating leg lifts. So you're just, all you're doing is going like this.
Oh.
I like to put my hand beneath my back to give it support while I'm doing these.
I go like this.
Oh, a minute, I'm sorry.
Oh, we're going now?
Yeah.
I go like this, and I put that right under my sacrum, and that really feels
sure.
good on my back.
Are you going to kick me?
I might. But don't worry, but it's not the first time. Just think all those. Didn't your wife ever kick you in the head?
Yeah, usually, and she'll say she was sleeping when she did, but I know she wasn't.
We know how that goes. That's all part of it.
Yeah.
Nice to be married. I better.
We got to say that.
Yeah, we'll get in trouble.
That's a minute. Yep.
These are great for that core.
Yeah, I'm definitely feeling the core, and you know, we're going to go probably the hardest part of the program, because now we're going to go into push-ups with this core, and then we're going to do planks with this core too.
I just remember to keep that breathing going. That makes a big difference on your nerves.
You really should keep your head down too. I was lifting it up like this, and your neck can actually get sore. All right.
Well, that way you can talk to the camera.
Now this will be only 30 seconds, Liz. Now, Brad makes fun of my form in push-ups.
Everyone does.
Everybody does. It's terrible.
But I love they love you, Bob. So,
yeah.
And it's getting much better.
All right. I'm trying to. Okay, when you're ready, Liz. So you guys give me your opinion of it. Okay. I'm trying to improve. How you doing, Brad?
Are you going to count?
Oh, I'm not going to count. I was just going to go see what I can do in 30 seconds. I didn't count, though. What did you do that one day, Brad? 50?
Can't remember. 48, I think.
What's that?
Close enough. No, it was 48, because I wanted to do 50 on, or I don't know what I wanted to do.
Okay. Now, this one, just to make it a little bit easier, Brad, we're going to go off knees.
Oh.
Keep your back straight, and you're going to go down and then up.
That hurts my knees,
Down.
Bob.
Yeah, it does hurt my knees,
I'm
too.
going to go like this, even though it is harder.
Yep. Oh, you just starting?
Oh, well, it's just, we're just demonstrating.
No, these aren't good on the knees. You're right. You're going to need a pillow if you do
Well, if
these.
you had softer carpet, but we got like a thin mat
this
carpet
is like
here. And the concrete was not finished very well. It's all lumpy.
Seriously?
I'm just kidding on that. It doesn't matter, though. It doesn't.
Okay. All right. Next one is 30 seconds, and we're doing double bridging, Brad.
Ooh, the double bridge. You can't go wrong with the double bridge.
Well, you can, but we won't steer you wrong. All right. Just all you're going to do is bring it up, double bridge. Working a little bit of that core, working a little bit of the glutes again.
Are we going to show them the option if you bring your heels farther away from your butt, it kind of changes?
Oh, yeah, sure. And also, if you're really a tough guy, a tough girl, you can do the one-legged ones.
Oh, yeah.
You switch back and forth.
I'm breathing, Bob.
I forgot to. Now I'm going to start again.
This is face.
All right. Next one, we're going to go right into just doing kicks.
Kicks.
Red.
Oh
no. We're doing kick-outs with the bridging.
Yes, I remember that.
That's right.
This is similar to what we were doing.
Yeah.
Just be careful if you got crampy hamstrings. You're going to have to hold
30
it out.
seconds, Liz.
30 seconds. Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun,
Do you get to play music when you do this, or do you just go and sing stuff to yourself?
Yeah, I like to sing in the shower.
Yeah, well, I don't want to hear about that. I could just.
I was dipping down, Brad. I was cheating.
Yeah, but I don't know. I might be too.
All right, just roll on to your side, Brad, and let's do some clam shells.
Keep the feet. I always think about keeping my heels and my big toes touching, like they're pivot points, to make sure I do it properly.
That's 30 seconds too. I'm sorry. Well, how about we'll do 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side, Brad?
Yeah.
So
This one always amazes me. It looks so easy, but when you do it, it's like, oh, right there, that little muscle is starting to burn right now.
yeah, it's amazing. It's now if you add resistance, okay, if you add resistance, this gets tough.
Yeah.
I got my mic on here, so I'm not going to lay all the way down.
Aren't you going to tell
Wow.
that story about the time you used the black band and you
Yeah.
were limping around for 3 days?
I got a feeling you're tired of that story, Brad.
Well, you know, some of our listeners are new and they might want to get
Yeah, that's
bored,
true.
too.
So well,
He's going to tell it.
I'm going to tell it.
Yeah.
So I used the black band. I thought I'm in shape. I'm going to do these with resistance, and my butt, my side, I think it was sore for a month, Brad. I mean, I'm not joking one bit. All right. Hey guys, you're doing well here. We're all the way to the cool down, Brad.
Oh, we are.
Yep.
Excellent.
So we're back up again.
Just wait, Bob. I'm going to try this.
Not bad.
Ah,
I can
darn
barely
it.
get off the floor.
All right.
All right, just cool down for 30 seconds on the high knees.
Oh, back
Oh.
to this.
And again, if you just want to relax a little bit, maybe you don't even go up as high.
Yep.
Just kind of cool down here.
Get the spaghetti arms.
Yeah.
Shake them out. Can we do knee circles yet?
Yeah, why don't you show the knee circle?
I like doing this. It kind of feels
I
good
don't
on
know if
my
I can
hips.
do those. I don't have the flexibility to do those.
Really, can you know, like you pretend
Well-
there's chalk on your knee and you're gonna draw a circle on that chalkboard in front of you?
You got that external rotation, Brad. Okay, just
Yeah,
reverse
it's-
circles. Nice, not too aggressive. Just cool it down.
Think about shoulders back at good posture.
Remember, in a few seconds, we're going to show you the FitGlide. Now, this is an option for you guys. If you want to work out at night and you're not maybe real physically fit yet, but you want to start getting some moving, and you can do it on the couch, you can do it on a chair in front of the TV, and you can do 8 minutes that way too. So
Yeah, this is great for those people who have knee pain from
Yes.
arthritis or hip pain.
yeah, you get the knee moving without stress on
yeah.
it.
And you could just work that. And, you know, it does not look like too much, but I've done this for 2 to 3 minutes and it starts to work a little bit.
Yeah.
And I run and everything. And
If you do 8 minutes, you'll feel it.
Yeah. If you want to change,
You can put it up on the stand. Did you mention how much it weighs, Brad?
it weighs 5.1 pounds, Bob.
Yeah. So anybody can carry this around, just about anybody.
Yeah. Now, this way really gets the old hamstrings going. It doesn't look like that much, but boy, this is quite a bit harder than when you tilt it on the front. What are you doing,
I'm going to
Bob?
jump in, Brad. Here,
Oh,
now.
for
You
God.
get out of the way.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to show that when you're lying in bed.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
put it in your bed, and you can
Typically in bed, you'll
be flat, right? And you can work it like this. This is
Yeah, that is kind of nice.
so you can actually wake up, put it in bed, and start working out before you get out of bed.
Say no more, Bob. Say no more.
I think this is one of the cool features of this.
It really is.
Yeah, for people who might be on bed rest, or have to be confined to bed because of weakness at
Right.
this point. They can
Yeah,
start
it's a
getting
great
moving.
rehab tool to get from that stage to standing, and that's not uncommon in our field. With what patients we work with,
All right, remember Brad and I can fix just about anything.
except for.
A broken heart.
But we are working on that too. But we don't.
We're not making any promises
Yeah,
at this point.
Yeah, we'll just say we're working on it.
Peace.